I am Professor Raj Kumar Sharma, presently working with Central University of Punjab as a finance officer. I had a rich experience of working in the various sectors of 40 years, which were largely 20 years I have served in the university system, and 20 years I have served in the various administration. And out of it, 7 years I have the university administration experience. This is what is my small profile.
Sir, welcome to ICSS International College for Security Studies.
Thank you.
Runs under Pragmatic Educational Society. And we are specialized in cybersecurity training as well as services both.
Great.
Sir, welcome once again on the eve of 79th Independence Day. We see the cyber fraud. There are so many cyber security agencies working in this arena. I just want from your side that being a financial officer of a central university, there are so many fraudulent cases you have gone day by day in your universities or in your working time also. So can you something elaborate on the financial fraud which you are experiences in your academic institutions?
I will certainly highlight and give some input on this cybersecurity, because I have worked as a controller of examination also with Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya Bilaspur. So I could see in the examination branch also we follow the various kind of security measures, and there we could ensure that with the help of the cybersecurity that all kind of these glitches have been closed. And presently I am working as a finance officer, and I could see that the various kind of cyber security attacks happens, and the amounts from the bank's accounts are being withdrawn, various kind of false bill payments are being made with the help of the some people who are ignorant about the security measures, IT security measures. So in this, I would like to say that the presently your college, which is called International College for Security Studies, which is headquartered in Delhi and had few branches in India, is doing wonderful task in order to provide the security, cyber security services, not only to the institution around the various government departments in Delhi, but across pan India. And I will really appreciate that the cyber security, as the government focus is there on digital India, and we wanted to do everything through digital platform in order to save the time and ensure the safety and security. And when the digital things come, the biasness, the subjectivity also goes away. But in that case, the cyber frauds are now the buzz of the days, and it is to be ensured that the like your college, International College for Cyber Securities, which you call it security studies, is doing wonderful task. And what are the various kind of seminars, workshops you conduct for the various types of students? You provide various kind of diploma, certificates, programs are really worthful. And I hope, I see that the college like you will have a long way to sustain in the digital India, because in the days to come, the digital India will strengthen its platform in the various domain. Only thing is that we need to ensure that the cyber frauds are to be should not happen, and for that this kind of your college where this kind of cyber securities are provided, they will sustain, and they need to be work efficiently. This is what from all my side on the occasion of the 79th Independence Day. I appreciate and I congratulate your college ICCS on this occasion, and from my side, all the best.
Thank you, sir.